What if I told you? Forests are hiding secrets most people will never hear in their entire lives. Tonight, you're about to learn 20 mind-bending forest facts. That might change how you see nature forever. One, forests communicate through an underground internet. Trees send nutrients, warnings, and signals through a fungal network called the Wood Wide Web. 2. Mother trees exist. The oldest and strongest trees feed younger trees, even ones that aren't their own species. 3. Some trees shut down to avoid danger. When a tree senses pests, it can reduce leaf activity to avoid being eaten. 4. Forests can remember sunlight. Trees adjust their growth based on light patterns from the previous day. 5. Trees warn each other of danger. If one tree is attacked by insects, it releases chemicals to warn nearby trees to prepare defenses. 6. Forests create their own rain. Trees release moisture that rises, forms clouds, and turns into rain above the forest. 7. 1 teaspoon of forest soil holds more living organisms than the number of people on Earth. 8. Trees can count. Some species track temperature changes to know exactly when to bloom. 9. A single forest tree can host over 2,000 species of insects and microorganisms. 10. Forests breathe differently at night. Trees absorb less CO2 and release more oxygen during nighttime cooling cycles. 11. A forest can lower your stress level in just 5 minutes. This is why forest bathing is a real therapy in Japan. 12. Trees have heartbeats. Extremely slow pulses that help move water through their bodies. 13. Forests can heal themselves after disasters. Some trees release seeds only after experiencing fire. 14. Giant trees talk slower. Massive trees can take hours to send signals across their network. 15. Trees grow better when surrounded by biodiversity. A forest of mixed species grows faster than a forest of only one species. 16. Forests control the Earth's temperature. They absorb heat better than any other natural surface. 17. Forests store more carbon than the atmosphere itself. 18. Some forests are older than human civilization. Certain ancient forests are over 10,000 years old. 19. 80% of all land species live in forests. 20. If forests disappeared, Earth would lose the ability to produce stable weather. Rainfall, wind, temperature, all influenced by forests. If you made it this far, thank you. It means you care about nature more than most people do.